So my wife is a photographer and a pretty awesome photographer. She's been wanting a new computer for the longest time, so I got her a MacBook Pro. Let's see if she's excited. Hey, Allie, you wanna come check out this cool video I'm doing? Why not? You gonna come check out this cool video I'm doing? I'm doing an unboxing, but where's the box? Oh, what's this over here? Come check this out.
What are you doing?
What is this down here?
What is that?
That's look, kind of looks like a MacBook Pro.
What?
That's weird.
What? Are you reviewing that?
You're reviewing it because it's yours.
What?
You're welcome, baby.
Aww. Do I have to do this right now?
Uh-huh.
Hi.
Today's review is brought to you by the most beautiful woman in the world.
So there's plastic on it. Do I bite this off? Ew. The plastic is smooth around the box. Comes off very nicely. Not sure if you can recycle this. I'll have to look it up. But if you can, recycling is good for the planet and makes your soul happy. Recycle that, babe. Okay. This is our little man. Cute. Very legit. Yee. So pretty. Silver matted finish. Oh wait, we got a little plastic right here. You lift and here we go. So I did not research all my specs and stuff. I know this is a laptop by Mac. Hey, Apple? Mac. I'm the technical one of the family. Okay, there's a better. Here we go. I'm technically the photographer of the family, so. Well, okay, so I had a really old Mac a long time ago. A long time ago. And they have seriously upped their game. I feel like this is like, how do you even open it? Is there a secret way to open it? I'm just afraid I'm gonna break it.
It's backwards.
The long side back here is not where you lift and open. That's the hinges. So this is actually the front. Whoa, check out that mouse pad. Seriously. That's amazing. Oh, it's already starting the second I open it? Testing 1, 2, 3.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
You're missing stuff. It legit started up right when I opened it.
Whoosh. Whoosh.
What the? Okay, seriously, check out that mouse pad. Nice. Is that like?
Shit.
Okay, so opening this computer, it automatically started for me, and it's requesting that I select my language. Enter English. Ooh, very smooth swivel. United States. Enter.
Press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar.
All right, United States. Press Escape key to hear how to set up your Mac with VoiceOver.
To advance through the Quick Start panels now and continue setting up your Mac, press the Escape key, panel 1 of 13.
Okay, so we are gonna jump over here and designed by Apple in California. This is the instruction manual. MacBook Pro. This is the MacBook Pro 16-inch. What? I am a photographer, and you have no idea how long I've been wanting one of these. Thank you, hubby. We have a charger here. Nice heavy charger. Very similar to a Mac charger from the olden days. Seems a little heavier than normal. And we've got the cords that connect for charging. Very straightforward. Cords and a port and instructions. And that, I believe, is it on the boxy box. I'm gonna put that back in here so I don't lose it, because I am that girl who loses things within seconds. Oh. Hey, the computer. Right here. So, stay tuned for my husband to continue the review in detail with all the special little knickknacks that he's gonna have to show me, because I'm not good at discovering things. I just don't have the patience. Right.
Guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on, because every week I do a giveaway that randomly selects someone who's interacted with my channel. It's time for my weekly Amazon gift card giveaway. All of our subscribers are eligible for every future giveaway. And the winner this week is... Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. God bless.